Welcome to Tiny Tech Tip. Today I want to show you how to cross-list your courses in Canvas. So this is something that we usually only do once a semester, right? Usually at the beginning. Please note, you are never going to want to try and cross-list or remove the cross-listing while a course is actually being published. So if you already have students working in your course, once it's cross-listed, it is cross-listed. There will not be any uncross-listing. Reason for that is you will lose grades in one of your courses that you decide to remove from the cross-list. So with that warning at the front of this, let's go ahead and see if we can walk through the steps on how to cross-list. So let's say I have two of the exact same course and they're meeting on the exact same days. They just might be meeting at different times, but I want them to have the same due dates and I plan on sending out the same announcements and a lot of the things are going to be the same in the course. Then I might want to go ahead and cross-list. So at this point, you're going to want to make sure to have both of the courses that you want open. Now you'll notice I've already worked on one of my courses. I just haven't done any work in this other course since I knew I was going to cross-list. Now I'm going to go to the course I want to cross-list. In other words, the one I haven't done any work in as of right now. I'm going to go ahead and go to Settings. I'm then going to go to Sections. And I'm going to select the section. So this, by the way, is that same section that we're working in. So I'm going to click there. I'm going to select cross-list this section. And now I'm going to go ahead and enter in the course ID number, or you can search for the course. Now, if you want the course ID number, it is going to be the last digits at the end there. So in this case, 7 digits. So the last 7 digits at the end of the course I'm trying to cross-list this to. So those are going to be that course ID number. If not, you can just type in GC, whatever year it is, the semester, and then type in the rest of that and search for it. I'm going to use this code to cross-list the course. So you'll see that the course populates here at the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and click cross-list this section. Now, you're going to notice once you've cross-listed the section, you're going to see the section number of the old course still up here at the top. So this is the SIS ID. But then in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see that this has the exact same section number as the section we just cross-listed with. So notice. Now when I click Home on this, my two sections are cross-listed. Another way to check is to go to Settings, and then go to Sections, and you should see both of your sections here. Now, like I said at the beginning of this video, you cannot decross-list once there's students who've actively started in the course. You will lose grades. So for instance, if I wanted to say, get rid of this one, you'll see that it gives me it'll give you a warning that'll say you can't delete sections that have users enrolled. This now becomes an administrative task. In other words, you'll need to make sure to email our canvas@gccaz.edu email address to get in touch with our CTLE, who will then take care of the decross-listing. Now, mind you, they can only do this if you have not actually already started the semester. Once you have started the semester and students have grades, you will lose grades from the section that you're choosing to decross-list. So please be aware of that when you move forward with cross-listing. If you cross-list at the beginning of the semester before anything has started, students have not completed any work, but you've cross-listed and then you're like, ooh, nope, don't want to cross-list, message the canvas@gccaz.edu email address, and they still can decross-list the two courses. If you have any questions or want to have a walkthrough with this, please make sure to reach out to our CTLE. They'll be more than happy to assist you. Hopefully you found this tiny tech tip helpful.